The cost of living is destroying America. People are working harder than ever, and, somehow surviving less. Everything costs more now. Food, gas, rent, insurance, utilities. Even basic necessities are becoming difficult to afford. Millions of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, not because they're lazy, but because the system itself is becoming too expensive to survive in. People are exhausted. They wake up early, work long hours, do everything they were told to do, and honestly, they still fall behind. Savings are disappearing. And yeah, credit card debt is exploding. Owning a home? For many Americans, it feels completely out of reach. And every month, everything just gets more expensive. This isn't just hurting people. It's slowly destroying the financial foundation of America itself. But here's what most people still don't realize. During every economic shift in history, there are people who struggle harder just to survive. And there are people who learn how to position themselves ahead of the crisis. The wealthiest people in the world don't survive on paychecks alone. They acquire assets, they build cash flow, they create income-producing opportunities. And, one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in history has always been real estate. At Nova RE Alliance, we teach people how to start learning real estate investing using creative strategies that most folks never even hear about. No hype, no expensive guru programs, no nonsense. Just real-world strategies designed to help ordinary people build real financial freedom. Because in today's economy, learning how money really works may no longer be optional. Follow Nova RE Alliance,